only window pane in the building that is just different than all the rest. So whatever is sitting on it, and it's from the outside, so it's on the outside. Whatever it is, it's rough. Now I'm going to restore this window. It's going to take a little while. It's a process, but I'm going to restore it. Make it look just like this. Yes, this one is dirty, don't worry. But it's going to be smooth and nice. This one is rough. I'll bring it back and I'll bring it back to see the final result. I removed whatever blemish or hard stain that was on the window. And now you can see that there is a haze. Some light scratch marks. There's a nice one right about right here. I'm really picking it up on the camera. There's a big haze right here, yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove them by polishing them. Look, big difference, night and day difference. I'll bring it back as smooth as this one. So this is the final product. There was a big scratch somewhere around here. It's all gone. This is the outside looking in.